Racing just started with a perfect pass break quickly at the start. Pegasus baling ganda. Real Heaven on the outside. Kasiyahan. Mahogany so Star Boyo comes next now showing locked and loaded. Then followed over by Geronimo. Next online Stormbreaker while Cool Dancer race the early trailer going along for the first turn. We have perfect pass by about 3 lengths. Baling ganda is right behind in second. Pegasus moving up by the rail comes Boyo. And on the outside is Real Heaven. Alongside comes Asiyahan. Next online is Mahogany. Jigsaw Star now showing Stormbreaker comes next. Geronimo locked and loaded second last while Cool Dancer is still racing in 13th. And at the far turn, we have perfect pass by about 4 lengths coming closer. Now in second is Boyo. Real Heaven likewise now joining in together with Kasiyahan on the outside. Jigsaw Star, Mahogany, baling ganda. As they swing for home, we have perfect pass by our length and a half. About to throw the challenge on the outside is Boyo. With about 100 meters up the race, we have perfect pass by about 2 lengths, followed by Boyo on the outside. Perfect pass, Boyo still in second. And finally, it's perfect pass. Boyo, Jigsaw Star, Mahogany, Cool Dancer, Kasiyahan, and Real Heaven for your Super 6.